Hey guys, quick video here to show you one of our workflows here at LimeDesign using our new state-of-the-art J55 3D printer. Once we build the prototypes in our SolidWorks program, we send over the file to the printer. Being that these prototypes are hollow, all of the white colored wax inside gives these parts some stability during the printing process. After the prototypes are printed, we go ahead and remove some of the excess wax. And to really give these prototypes a thorough cleaning, we use a high-power pressure washer to clean out the remaining wax. We turn on the power, we open up the lid, and then we place our prototypes in the pressure washer. After closing the lid, we slip our hands into the rubber gloves that are attached, and then we turn on the water. Then we turn up the pressure, and the machine cleans out all the wax. And this is the final result. All of the wax is completely removed, and our prototypes are ready for assembly. For more information, check out our website at limecreativedesign.com and our social media pages at LimeDesign 3D.